if we have to use a double barrel shotgun for both of us, we'll definitely do that too.
What?
So,
What?
I know.
Whoa, no shotguns, not necessary.
If I was you to say, just double check the licenses are not MSDN.
Well, you know what? Let me grab
That's
a license and
interesting.
put it up there on the camera for you, because we bought them in bulk.
Well, maybe not show the actual license key, but everything else.
Well, they can steal one item.
Well, I care.
I don't.
I do.
Well, I'm not worried about one license key. I'm worried about us doing the right thing here. So,
Oh,
if one of our backers out there is watching,
here. Oh. If you
wait.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. Okay, so you see the way they come is,
Like that.
and the serial numbers are ascending, and we've already tried it, and we know that they do indeed register, and
They do activate, and everything is working just fine.
yeah, and I called someone today, and let's just see. You don't want the product key to show. Is that the idea?
That is correct.
Wow.
So while you're doing that,
And they all come with an OEM CISC.
mhm.
There. Well, it's not really easy to wipe out the product key.
Well, the only way I know how to do that is to come up like this and show just that amount right there.
Well, here, it does say OEM software, and it's from a major OEM manufacturer.
There you go.
And they do thousands of systems a week,
Mhm.
and that's how they're able to give us a little piece
So-
of this.
We're not seeing MSDN on the stuff.
And because we are building the computers here, we qualify for the OEM software. That part we figured all out. So that was a God bless.
Yes.
God bless
Let
everybody.
me see the stickers here just for a second. So,
Anyway,
no, it's not MSDN at all. So,
it does say property of the federal government, but we don't really care about that. No, it doesn't. You know what we did find out? Did you know
Your
that
charter's
if
double.
you're part of the federal government, you have some kind of special deal, and you can get Windows 7 for under $30. And we thought that wasn't fair because we're all tax-paying citizens, so we're all part of the federal government. Anyway, if you didn't pay taxes, you can't buy Windows 7 for under $30. But there are actually some electronic distribution copies out there that are strictly one install on one machine with one hard drive, one CPU, and they're $30. Actually, they're under $30. So
yeah.
I was impressed to find that out.
It's a little bit more for us, though. So,
Well, Les, if we happen to hook up this weekend, I'll actually put one in your little grimy mitt for everything you've done for us.
yep.
So
Let's see. Nerd Rock, so glad I use a Mac. Yeah, you're so easy. Once you go Mac, you never
go back.
Once you go Mac, you want to go back.
Who said that?
That was Nerd Rocks.
I can't agree with that. I love my Mac for like 17 years. It was my favorite computer systems. I think I've had at least 11 Macs in my life.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
I started with one of the first ones. One of my first little sideboards was a 68020 clip-on that went on the 68,000.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. I remember using one of those back at, wow, that's going to grade me. Grade school.
And they
So-
came out with a Mac, too, just in time to kill that product.
Yep.
It was a great product for about 8 weeks.
And we had the old green screens from the Mac, or the Apple IIs, and oh yeah, the real floppies, the little 5.5 inch, the last of the real floppies. So, yeah. The DC show. I don't know what the name of the show is right off the top of my head. And that's what I was looking into. Give me 1 second to try and see if I can find it.
We can Facebook it up for you guys. We'll get David to Facebook it up in the morning if you want.
Yep. And give me 1 second to sign in. I should be able to find it. Oh, you're welcome, Lynn. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I got you, and I got your email, so it's looking good. So we'll get back in touch with you at least by tomorrow. So, all right. Let's see. So, okay.
USA Science and Engineering.
It's the Festival Expo. It's going to be happening.
Oh, it runs all week. Oh, it's
No,
just
this
this
is
weekend,
April
26th,
26th and 27th. Founding and presenting host is Lockheed Martin.
Wow.
Yeah, which is great. It's going to be at the Walter E. Washington Convention Center in Washington, D.C. It is a free event. So,
To attend.
To
but
attend.
not for us to exhibit.
No.
But still, no complaints.
they've done a wonderful job.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So that is the show. There's going to be a bunch of good people there. I think Mike Rowe's going to be there and a bunch of other people. And Mike Rowe's an Eagle. So, I'm not sure if you guys know that or not. I didn't know that until a couple days ago. So there you go. It's 3 days until that happens. So, again, it's the Walter E. Washington Convention Center in Washington, D.C. Yeah. So, and the name of the festival is the U.S. Science and Engineering, USA Science and Engineering Festival. There you go. Perfect. All right, and thank you, Davo, for keeping up on that.
I hope he's resting right now.
Yeah, absolutely.
He has a big weekend ahead of him.
Yes, he does.
Davo's like Superman. He got in the car, he drove to Las Vegas for the CES show, which was only 2,000 miles.
Oh.
And this time he's getting in a rental car and driving only 8 hours each way or 9 hours each way to go to D.C. That's like a warm-up. That's an hors d'oeuvre. But he's pretty. He's a trooper. We all appreciate working with him.
Yeah. Thank you, Davo.
Yeah. If you ever see this, know that we remember you kindly.
Oh, he watches these. He does. So, yes. All right. Less music, Pumpkin, and 5. Okay.
No problem. We're out of here too. I think there was next batch of boards was verified. We're building new systems with them.
Yep.
Motors came in this week, of which I was going to just take a teaser here and show you guys real quick. That's the old motor for the heads. This is the new motor for the heads. We also have the old motor in the new motor style, 200 of these. But we're trying to reduce the mass, so we're testing these out right now. There will be a number of the hot heads with the slightly smaller motor available for test from some of you key guys like Les and Ken and Jim Powers and David Kibble for sure. I want you guys to get a try at these. Give us some feedback. The other thing is that oh my gosh, the list just goes on and on. What can I say? We got even the displays were more Windows 7. More of the new motherboards came in.
Yep.
You have the one that shows the M SATA.
Yeah, it's behind you.
Is it installed?
Yeah, it's installed.
Do we have an extra M SATA that I could just? Well, anyway, I mean, we got the motherboards, the next generation ones, which we'll be vetting out for the next 4 weeks, and then they will move into the product matrix because, it's only a fool would put a motherboard in the first day and start shipping them, but it's so far so good. Actually, so far excellent.
And for those people who are asking, it does run 64-bit as well if you wanted to run 64-bit. So I think Yeoman is typically the one who asked that question. So yes, that will run 64-bit.
Excellent thing. Trying to think what other things were going down.
Powers USA asks the question of the day, which is what is the software status?
I am trying hard to put it in Hutch's hand before he leaves on Friday morning.
Yep.
So, and maybe they'll have to teletransport it to him once he arrives. The good thing is Friday, no one's going to be here but me, which means no one will bug me, which means I can program uninterrupted, which means I will be in heaven.
Very true.
Yeah. So if anyone tries to call or Skype on Friday and they don't get through, it's just because I'm actually completing something.
Yes.
Yeah. Good. But really, I mean, we're right there. So, and that's actually a blessing that Les Music is coming by because he may just walk through some of the code with me, do some tests from what he's done from his side, and I'm ready to hand it over to people. So, I believe I've got 5 key people that are stepped up. We'll run it for a week to 2 weeks, see what other bugs that might have popped up. I'm sure there'll be 1 or 2, and then we'll release it to everybody.
Yep.
So,
excellent.
I know I look a little hazed or gruff here. It's just we've been working. I feel good.
Oh yeah.
But it's time to shave tomorrow, probably, or they won't let me go play. They'll stop me at the gate, send me back home.
That's a good way of putting it.
Yeah.
All right.
We also got the new extrusions for the metric extrusions finally in, and they look pretty cool. And I'm trying to think what else there is.
All right. Thank you, Les.
Yeah.
Have a good night, sir. Okay.
Yeah, that's good. I need to run and talk to my my ex-wife about something that's very important. So I apologize to everybody, but you guys are really important too. And thank you. And we'll keep everybody up to date. And maybe we could post some Facebook stuff at the end of the weekend or something like that.
Something like that, and also probably next live broadcast Wednesday this coming week.
I think so. That gives us an appropriate time frame. We'll all have recovered from the weekend. And I don't mean from a party way.
No.
I'm sure Hutch and Dave are going to be completely slammed. And if I have my way, I will be slammed as well.
Yes.
But in a software kind of way.
Yeah.
Cool.
So, but we will be available via Skype and also email and phone during this weekend too. So if you guys need to reach us, please reach out to us at the regular office phone number, or if you have a regular personal phone number, call us and we'll be available. I'm not sure for the Dominican Republic it will work.
Yeah, but don't hesitate to contact me either, because if I'm busy, I won't answer on Friday morning. That's the truth. But I will definitely get back to you, and most of the time I can take a call, and I love to hear from you guys. So, John Richardson, you talk to me, Les Music. You guys don't realize what kind of this is a yin-yang thing. It sounds like you might be afraid to interrupt us. We don't like to be interrupted, but at the same time, we like the feedback we're getting, and without you guys giving us that feedback and just overall stuff, it's not a complete package. So don't hesitate to reach out. I'll say I'm busy and can I get to you in 2 hours or 4 hours, but I want to talk to you guys. Don't think we're off on a camping trip and no one wants to talk to you. That's not the case.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay,
All
I'll
right,
bid you guys adieu, salivations, and thank you again.
All right, guys.
Look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.
All right. Good night, guys. And if you have any other questions, reach out to us via HYREL3D@gmail.com, and we'll be here and ready to help. All right, guys. Have a good night. See you next Wednesday.